All right, welcome back. So this unit out here in Gooding, Idaho, it's an old Detroit. We got a new coolant temp sender because it shut down on over temp yesterday, but it wasn't overheating supposedly. So we're gonna put this one together, get it all built up, and then try to hammer that one out and hammer this one in before we lose all the coolant on the ground. So it should be a mess, but let's get it. Just like that. All right, now that we're fighting bad weather, I already got the wire pulled off of it. We're about to make a huge fucking mess. Oh, shit. Oh, that kind of worked. Now that the weather has progressively gotten shitty, I got out of my soaking wet coveralls. We got the sensor done. Let's get it cold still. Well, it's got a block here, but it's still cold as fuck outside. Alright, we're back out at the Detroit. Already started taking it apart, so I forgot to film. But the thermostats, so we're doing the thermostats and all the hoses, just as a precaution. And we're changing over to Red ELC, so get a time lapse going of all that.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So here's the deal. So we got our thermostats and gaskets and seals and everything, right? So now I'm getting these little internal seals out. We're gonna punch the new ones in, and we're gonna put the thermostats in here, and then we're gonna wipe these off. I already hit them with the die grinder to get all the shit off of them. We're gonna throw the thermostats in here, wipe them down, put the gasket on the engine side, and then set this one on there. We did not come with any 3.5-inch stick hose. Instead, we were provided 2 runs of a different size. I think this is 3. Yeah. The parts store gave us 2 3-inch. One of these was supposed to be 3.5. So my coworker is going to go grab the 3.5 for this, and then the other lower. And then when he gets back, I'll put that one on. But while he's gone, I'm gonna put this one on, get that ready to get put on, and then put one of those on. So I'll just do another time lapse of me doing this, but there's where we're at.
Stand.